Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to bake oatmeal raisins cookies. So let's see what all ingredients we need. For that I have taken 100 grams of oatmeal. I have taken rolled oats, 1 tablespoon of black raisins, 3 tablespoons of room temperature unsalted butter, 2 drops of vanilla essence, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of white sugar, salt a pinch, cinnamon powder 1 teaspoon, bicarbonate soda half teaspoon, all-purpose flour or maida 1 cup. I am adding 1 banana. So let's see how we are going to prepare this. So first, in a mixing bowl, I am going to add the room temperature unsalted butter. We can start to whisk it. With that, I am going to add the brown sugar, and we can add the white sugar. Give a good mix. It nicely. With this, I am going to add the mashed banana. And blend nicely. If you want, you can add egg instead of banana. Give a good mix. After mixing all the wet ingredients, I am going to add the dry ingredients now. For that, I am going to take first the all-purpose flour 1 cup. Then you can add half teaspoon of soda, then with that I am going to add the cinnamon powder 1 teaspoon, mix it well. And you can see with that I am going to add a pinch of salt, and let's fold it. Now with this, I am going to add the vanilla essence. And mix it. Then we can add the rolled oats and the black raisins and fold it. After mixing all ingredients, I am going to bake it. For that, while we are keeping the oven for the preheating, scoop out the dough and keep in the parchment paper. Make sure you are keeping some distance between the cookie dough. I am going to bake these cookies for 10 to 12 minutes in 350 Fahrenheit. Now the oven is preheated, so I am going to keep it for baking. The oatmeal raisin cookie is ready. You can enjoy this cookie with your tea or coffee. Hope you like this recipe. It's easy to make and very simple. Please do a try. Please do like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification. Thank you for watching. Thank you.